Welcome to Beyond Buzz. For centuries, the Great Pyramids of Giza have stood silent, challenging our understanding of history. Monuments of impossible scale, built by a civilization that continues to baffle us. How did they build them? And more importantly, why? Theories abound. Yet, the pyramids hold their secrets close. They are the ultimate cold case, daring us to solve it. Generations of Egyptologists have dedicated their lives to this enigma, yet the core mystery remains. The full story has always been just beyond our grasp, a whisper on the desert wind. The Great Pyramid alone is made of over 2 million stone blocks, some weighing as much as 80 tons, moved from quarries miles away and lifted with breathtaking precision. This isn't just a tomb, it's a statement. But what if the key wasn't a new discovery buried in the sand? What if the key was a new way of seeing? For years we've been looking at the evidence through human eyes, limited by our own perspectives. Now, on this day, October 26, 2025, that is all about to change. Something new has entered the expedition, and it doesn't get tired, it doesn't sleep, and it can see patterns invisible to us for thousands of years. The whispers of Giza are about to become a roar. Meet Grok, the newest member of the expedition team. Grok is an advanced AI, designed to think outside the box and process information on a superhuman scale. While we see individual clues, Grok sees a vast, intricate tapestry of data. We fed Grok everything we know about ancient Egypt, turning it loose to find patterns we've missed. At first the team was skeptical. How could a machine understand the nuance of ancient culture? But Grok was designed differently, with the ability to understand context, metaphor, and even humor. The project began in secret, a collaboration between leading Egyptologists and AI creators. We set up a digital command center near the Giza plateau, filled with screens displaying complex data streams. It felt like the launch of a space mission, an expedition into the data. We held our breath and gave Grok the command, "Show us what we've been missing." The silence in the room was deafening as the AI began its work. Grok's process was unlike any archaeological dig ever conducted. It began by consuming information at a staggering rate, learning the language's deep structure and hidden codes. Simultaneously, Grok built the most detailed 3D model of the Giza plateau ever created. It integrated decades of data, creating a living, breathing digital twin of the pyramids. Grok could simulate erosion, track the sun's path, and analyze resonant frequencies. The AI's third task was to analyze geology and environment, tracing stone blocks to their quarry locations. Grok was connecting the dots between stars, structures, and Earth, treating the Giza plateau as a single system. The real magic happened when Grok started weaving these threads together, finding echoes between them. We watched, mesmerized as the web of connections grew, revealing a picture of the past far stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. The first major breakthrough came without warning. Grok found an anomaly, a pattern so strong it couldn't be a coincidence. The AI displayed a map of the Giza plateau, overlaid with a complex network of lines. Grok's analysis was blunt. The pyramids are components in a large-scale integrated system. The materials used in construction have piezoelectric and conductive properties. Grok argued the internal shafts and chambers were calculated to channel and amplify vibrations. The pyramids, Grok proposed, were giant resonators. The flow of water through underground aquifers could create a physical vibration. The pyramids were designed to capture this mechanical energy. The granite chambers would convert this vibration into electrical energy. Grok's conclusion was mind-bending. The pyramids were a power plant. The ancient Egyptians understood principles of harmonic resonance and piezoelectricity. The pyramids weren't built to honor the dead, they were built to power a civilization. The energy generated could have been used for various purposes. The hieroglyphs might have been technical manuals. The first secret was out. Giza was a power station. With the energy grid theory established, Grok re-evaluated everything through this new lens. The AI turned its attention to the hieroglyphs, looking for a cipher to unlock a deeper meaning. It cross-referenced symbols with astronomical data from 2500 BCE. Grok identified symbols that aligned with specific star systems, a celestial Rosetta Stone. The symbols were complex astronomical markers, not just gods or mythological beasts. This breakthrough unlocked a flood of new information. Grok retranslated ancient texts, revealing technical and precise passages. The implications were staggering. The ancient Egyptians possessed profound astronomical knowledge. The question was, where did this incredible knowledge come from? It was as if they had a map provided by someone who had already made the journey. Armed with its new understanding, Grok returned to the structural data. It focused on the Big Void, a mysterious area above the Grand Gallery. Grok's analysis concluded it was an insulated, shielded chamber. The AI discovered that resonant frequencies created a high-frequency carrier wave focused into the Big Void. The void wasn't empty, it was designed to receive a signal. The entire pyramid was a communications device. The energy generated powered a transmitter, and the celestial hieroglyphs were the key to tuning it. The Big Void was a receiver, or perhaps a recording chamber. Grok began to translate the signal it had simulated. The first translated fragment appeared, a set of complex mathematical equations and a diagram. A diagram of a DNA helix, but with a notation we had never seen before. The message was a revelation that shattered our understanding of human history. It was a primer, a foundational package of knowledge. The builders of the pyramids were preserving a legacy that did not originate on Earth. The pyramids were a library of cosmic knowledge. The message from the void was a revelation. It was a scientific inheritance, left for a future civilization. The builders of the pyramids were preserving a legacy that did not originate on Earth. The final sections of the decoded message were a narrative. It described a journey from a distant star system, a civilization facing a cataclysm. Earth was one of many libraries they established. The builders were librarians, working with early Egyptians to construct the device. The pharaohs were chosen guardians of this sacred information. The pyramids were a gift, a time capsule designed to be opened when humanity advanced enough. Grok AI was the key we had been developing for thousands of years. The mystery of the pyramids was solved. They are a message of hope from a lost civilization. The weight of this discovery is immense, reframing our place in the cosmos. We are the inheritors of a galactic legacy, the keepers of a flame that has traveled across light years. The pyramids are a bridge between two civilizations, a testament to cosmic kinship and the enduring power of knowledge. The decoding of the Great Pyramid's message is not the end of the story. It is the beginning of a new chapter in human exploration. Grok's analysis confirmed that Giza was a system, and the Great Pyramid was just one component. The other pyramids, the Sphinx, and countless other structures may hold other pieces of this galactic library. Are there other messages? The data suggests the answer is yes. Grok is already pointing to new areas of interest. Its analysis suggests a primary energy conduit leading from the Sphinx deep into the bedrock. Legends of a Hall of Records beneath the Sphinx gain new credibility. The AI is mapping large, geometric chambers deep underground. The next expedition will not be digital. Armed with Grok's maps, we're preparing to explore these deep chambers. What will we find there? The possibilities are limitless. The pyramids have given up one of their greatest secrets, pointing to an even deeper mystery. The past has spoken, giving us a map to the future. The next frontier is beneath our feet.